What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Wild Country Tactical. On today's video, I'm kind of picking back up where I left you guys off hanging on a video. Back in Eagle Arms video that I done for the testing of the rifle, I told you I was wearing a chest rig. The chest rig was a Condor Sentry chest rig, but I also said I had something special planned for the plates. With that being said, now the plates that I had was Come and Take It. Come and Take It was actually gracious enough to send me 3 plates free of charge. Thank you, guys. But in my kind of deal to them, I promised that I would shoot these. I am going to shoot them. I am actually going to do some testing because this is their level 3 plus plate. It's an AR600 steel. It's supposed to stop a 3,100 feet per second 5.56 M193. So we're actually going to do more than that. I got 3 plates here, so you know what that means. I got 3 chances of shooting these things. Going to do more than just shoot them. 1 plate, probably this one, is going to be more of the EDC rounds, your pistol, your everyday carry pistol rounds, your 9mm, your 40, 45, 10mm if I got it, and a 357. Reason why I want to do 357 is because I know around here where I live at, there's several people that actually carries a 38 special or a 357, and it's one of those. Honestly, if I had the room, I would carry one, but I wanted to see how it's going to take that impact. This being a AR600 steel. We'll see what it's going to do. Now, on the other 2 that I've got here, they're rated exactly the same. There's nothing different. They're all rated the same. So, these 2 eggs actually probably going to get, one's probably going to get a course 223. 5.56, probably going to do several different types. Probably going to do 55 grain, and I think I'm going to do probably do 60, was it 60, 62, and 72 if I can find them grain on there on the 5.56 ballistics. Try to shoot something like that. Probably going to do maybe a 308 in AR platform if I can find it. But I'm also on this other plate. We're actually going to do big bore stuff. We're actually probably going to do 270 30-06, may do a 7 mag, may do a 300 Win, maybe do 300 mag. I'm not exactly sure. We're going to do a lot of bigger calibers on this. I'm just curious to see where it stands. I think a lot of us are. We are actually kind of, and probably everything that I'm going to shoot will probably be jacketed. More likely it's going to be full metal jackets. Might even try doing some jacketed hollow points on some of them if I can find it, just to see how it's going to actually react. Might even do it on the pistol rounds just to play with it, just to see how they're actually going to handle. The reason why I haven't got this video out yet is because we're talking maybe 10 to 12 different types, and some of them I don't have in my possession, so I'm having along with the ammo as well. Please, please, please stay tuned. I'm going to try to get these out this month. Probably going to do a 3, counting this one will be a 4 video series